Where did it go? Where mouse go? Oh my god, look at this mouse. It's climbing on my house. And what girl's doing? We're just sitting there like an idiot. And the mouse is climbing to my house. Oh my god. This is not good. Look at this brave mouse. And look at this cat. I guess they decide to have a strategy now, but it's too late. I don't think they will be able to jump there. Now you're stuck, girls. You're too late.